Hi, it's Brian, the BC Salmon Farmers Science and Policy Director. Recently, the BC Salmon Farmers launched a sea lice report analyzing independently collected data, which concludes sea lice prevalence in the Discovery Islands is unchanged and remains low after salmon farms were closed. As part of our analysis, we researched and analyzed claims made by activists, with one image in particular having been distributed broadly on social media and online news articles. It's this one here, which has been circulating on Facebook, Instagram, and in major media. So we're taking you on a deeper dive into this image and what we now know. On September 10th, 2020, a photo of a salmon smolt was published by the Narwhal magazine in an article titled BC Salmon Farms Regularly Undercounting Sea Lice Study Finds. The smolt, as seen here, is clearly labeled Pink Salmon from Nuka Sound 2020. On December 29th, it appears on the website of the Vancouver Unitarians, labeled as a chum salmon from Nuka Sound. Then it is published again on April 2nd, 2021, in a Globe and Mail opinion editorial titled Salmon Fisheries Threaten BC's Wild Salmon. We have one last chance to save them. Here again, we see the chum smolt photo's location is Gold River, Nuka Sound. Let's be clear, the smolt looks awful. It is heavily parasitized, and the implication is that all the smolts passing salmon farms look like this. But this is not supported by anyone's actual data. The majority of smolts sampled in wild fish monitoring programs have no parasitic lice on them, and when they do, finding more than 2 lice is highly unusual. For example, in the multi-stakeholder Broughton Archipelago monitoring program, the odds of finding more than 2 adult sea lice on a smolt was 1 in 800 for more than 82,000 fish sampled over a decade. It is extremely rare to find chum smolts with 7 or more lice in any location. As we analyze the photo, we see approximately 18 or more sea lice in a series of distinct spots and marks in all the same places. Fast forward to May 2021, and a new image using the same fish photo emerges and starts being distributed on social media by a wide range of salmon farming activists, in particular on Instagram. The core message is that removing salmon farms works, showing a 2020 versus 2021 comparison, with the location changed from Nuka Sound to Okosolo Channel, Discovery Islands, BC. This is perplexing, as the original photo and post labeled the smolt as located in Nuka Sound. Yet we see the same fish being represented on social media at Okosolo Channel, Discovery Islands. The smolt represented in Nuka has the exact same sea lice count in exactly the same locations and the same spots and marks as the smolt represented in the Discovery Islands. With near certainty, this is the same fish taken moments apart, but has been relabeled and reused to suggest it appears in a different location. The smolt would have had to swim around the entire northern or southern tip of Vancouver Island, and then be caught, photographed identically, and then have the exact same sea lice, spots, and marks. It's frankly impossible. This type of imagery and manipulation is concerning to our sector. It takes a few moments to relabel and resubmit or edit an image and post it on social media or submit to a publication, suggesting this is the norm. But the consequences for our coastal communities are lasting. It needs to stop. It's time to inform the important dialogue around salmon farming with facts and stop resorting to fear-mongering and misinformation. Visit BCSalmonFarmers.ca/DeeperDive to learn more.